Skibowl is one of the oldest resorts in the U.S. It was established in 1927 with a group of Norwegian jumpers over on our jump hill. So Skibowl is America's largest night ski resort. We have over 34 runs lit at night with expansive terrain for all ability levels. We've got over 65 runs during the daytime. Our upper bowl is a 4.5-minute lift ride. It provides 800 vertical feet, 240 meters of skiing, and it is unparalleled in the state of Oregon. We have the most black diamond runs in Oregon as well. But that doesn't mean we don't have anything for the beginner. We have lots of beginner terrain. We have 2 conveyor lifts and several rope tows that our ski school utilizes. We have tubing and the world's only cosmic tubing at night with lights and lasers and fun stuff. So our longest run here at Skibowl is our legendary Skyline Trail, which is 3 miles long or about 5 kilometers. From the top of the mountain, it winds all the way down to the bottom with beautiful views of Mount Hood like you see behind me here.